In a world where cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have shaken up the finance game, what happens to your crypto when you pass away? Unlike your grandma's antique teapot or your uncle's vintage vinyl collection, crypto presents some unique challenges. But don't worry. With careful planning, you can keep your digital assets from vanishing into the digital abyss. List all your crypto holdings. Make sure your beneficiaries know how to access them and pick someone tech-savvy to handle it all. Consider digital legacy services or secure physical storage options to protect your digital keys and passwords. And don't forget about the tax man. Inheriting crypto could mean a whole new set of rules and regulations to navigate. So with a little planning and professional advice, you can ensure that you'll be passing down those digital riches like a pro. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some more hodling to do.
To book your free consultation, call or click today.